He's trying to cover up his battery. Thank you. We really appreciate that. We're running out of sand.
We got an extra clip?
Now there's a sheet of leather over it. It might not die.
Oh, you put leather over it.
It's safe.
It's still flammable. That is totally. In fact, it's more flammable now.
Actually, no, I'd rather smell burning leather than burning lithium, because burning leather
It smells like burning meat.
So, you probably want to be over on this side. He's already on this.
Yeah.
All right, and I've got the broom ready to sweep up all the shit
Up there, and he's got. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot everywhere.
Oh,
I remember the last time we did something like this.
Oh boy.
oh boy.
So,
Okay, we ready with fire extinguishers, rake, shovels, and other implements of destruction?
Everything. Copy that. Emergency exits are that way.
Yeah. In case of an emergency landing, your exits are to the front and rear of the aircraft. Your seats may be used as a defense mechanism. Block the flying parts. In case of fire, run screaming to the nearest exit as fast as possible.
I realized
I'll be right behind you.
I should have worn my chainmail today.
You should have worn your chainmail today. Really. All right. You ready? You ready? You ready?
Yep.
Audience, it's gonna be good. 1, 2, 3.
Deploy the launch!
oh!
Mobile. Over the first out. Over the first out. There you go. There you go. There you go. Take it where you came back out. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Don't go with him. Don't go with him. Back out, back out, back out. Oh. One down.